In a large green forest near a wide and quiet river, there lived a turtle named Timo. Timo was old, slow, and calm. His shell was dark and strong, and his eyes were gentle. Every morning, Timo woke up early when the sun was soft and warm. He liked mornings because the forest was quiet and peaceful. Timo lived alone in a small home made of mud, leaves, and dry grass. It was close to the river, where fish jumped and frogs sang at night. Timo did not want much in life. He did not want to be fast. He did not want to be famous. He only wanted to live calmly and safely. Every day, Timo walked along the same path near the river. He walked very slowly, step by step. He stopped to rest. He stopped to look. He stopped to listen. He liked the sound of the wind in the trees and the water moving over stones. He believed that nature speaks softly, and only slow ears can hear it. High above Timo, in tall trees with long branches, lived many birds. The birds were colorful and fast. Some were red, some were blue, some were yellow. They flew quickly from tree to tree and talked all day. They laughed, shouted, and sang loudly. The forest always heard them. The birds liked to talk about others. They talked about the deer, the monkeys, the frogs, and the turtle. They often laughed at Timo. "Look at the turtle," one bird said. "He is still walking," said another. "If he starts today, he will finish tomorrow," they laughed. Timo heard the birds. He heard their voices clearly. Sometimes their words felt heavy, like small stones. But Timo did not answer. He did not shout back. He did not feel angry. He believed that anger makes the heart tired. So he kept walking. Every day was the same for Timo, but he liked it that way. He watched ants carry food. He watched beetles climb leaves. He watched the river rise and fall. He learned many things by watching slowly. Some young birds watched Timo quietly. They did not laugh. They felt curious. One small bird asked her mother, "Why does the turtle walk so slowly?" The mother bird answered, "Because he is weak." But the young bird was not sure. She saw Timo help a frog cross a wet stone. She saw him wait while ants crossed the path. She saw him stop when tired and continue when ready. The young bird thought, "Maybe slow is not weak." One afternoon, the forest felt strange. The air was heavy and warm. The wind stopped moving. Even the birds became quiet. Timo felt something change. He lifted his head and looked at the sky. Dark clouds gathered.